How to change your phone number on your IRS account. So usually when you're going into your actual IRS account, the phone number used for it is managed through your ID.me, since the IRS uses the ID.me for online identity verification and sign in. So if you want to change this, what you're going to do is to go to the IRS online account for individuals page and select to sign in into your online account. So you're going to continue through the id.me login screen. So in this section, what you're going to do is to enter your id.me email address and password, then just complete the verification using your current text message number or authentication app, passkey, recovery code, or another safe method. But once you have it, you can go ahead and do it from here. But you can also go ahead to the id.me website where you go ahead and sign in. If it is available from here, you should be able to enter the sign in and security of your My Wallet in id.me. So go to the top right once you are signed in. Go to My Wallet and go into your security. So in security, you have your text message or phone call or something pretty much similar to this. In our case, we haven't set it up yet, but you can go ahead and add your new phone number. So set up a new text message or phone call authentication method using the new number you have. Then you can enter the verification code sent to that number. So make sure you do have your device with the SIM card or the number so you can confirm it and then remove the old method after the new one works. During signing in with your ID.me, if you want to recover access without the old number, what you can do is to basically choose the option indicating that you changed your phone number or you have resetted your MFA method. You may be asked to verify your identity again using your email or whatever option you had in the first place. So you'll also be using a phone with a camera and an accepted photo ID. So make sure you don't create a second ID.me account since that probably won't be possible with the same number. So you can stay with the same account. If you want more help or you want more changes, you could always go ahead to their help section in the IRS website or in the ID.me website, whether you can go ahead and ask if you want to change your phone number on your IRS account or technically your ID.me account. Well, hopefully the information of this video can help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.